In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to tag subscribers in MailerLite. By the end of this complete guide, you'll know how to use MailerLite's group system to organize your audience, segment your contacts, and send more targeted emails that actually get opened. If you're building an email list for your business or creative project, organizing your subscribers into meaningful categories is one of the most powerful things you can do because it lets you send the right message to the right people at the right time. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your MailerLite account. Head over to the MailerLite website, enter your credentials, and you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your command center, where you can see overviews of your campaigns, subscriber growth, and recent activity. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout, because everything branches out from here. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the subscribers section, which you can find on the left-hand navigation menu. Click on the word subscribers, and it will take you straight to your full subscriber list. This list shows every person who has ever signed up or been imported into your account, along with key details like their email address, subscription date, and any fields you've captured. Now that you're looking at your subscriber list, you need to locate the specific person you want to organize. MailerLite makes this really easy with a search bar at the top. You can type in their name, email address, or even a custom field value if you've set those up. Once you spot the right person, click directly on their name or email address. This action opens up their individual subscriber profile, which is like a mini dossier for that contact. Here you'll see everything MailerLite knows about them. Their personal details, when they joined, what emails they've opened, their click history, and most importantly, any groups they currently belong to. Reviewing this profile gives you the full picture before you start organizing, which helps you avoid accidentally adding someone to the wrong category. Before you actually add anyone to a group, it's smart to pause and decide how you want to categorize your subscribers. MailerLite doesn't use tags in the traditional sense like some other email platforms. Instead, it uses what are called groups. Think of a group as a label or a bucket for a specific audience segment. For example, you might want groups for customers, leads, webinar attendees, or VIP members. The key is to think ahead about how you'll use these groups later. If you plan to send a special offer only to VIPs or a re-engagement campaign only to leads, then those groups become incredibly powerful. Take 5 minutes to map out your categories based on your business goals. This prevents chaos down the road. With your plan in mind, it's time to add this subscriber to a group. On their profile page, look for a button or section labeled Add to Group. Click that, and a drop-down menu will appear showing all the groups you've already created. If you see the perfect group, just select it. If none of the existing groups fit, you can click the option to create a new group right there. Give it a clear, descriptive name like Winter Sale Attendees or Blog Subscribers. Avoid vague names like List A or Group 1, because in 6 months you won't remember what they mean. Once you've made your selection, click the Save or Confirm button, and that subscriber is instantly added to the group. Now you'll want to verify that the assignment worked. Scroll down a little on the subscriber's profile and look for the Groups section. You should see the group name you just selected sitting there nice and tidy. This confirmation is important because it gives you peace of mind that your organization is accurate. If you made a mistake, you can easily remove them by clicking the X next to the group name and re-adding them to the correct one. Double-checking now saves you from sending a discount code for dog products to someone who only signed up for cat content. But what if you need to organize more than one person at a time? Going through each profile individually for hundreds of subscribers would take forever, so MailerLite gives you a much faster way. Go back to the main subscriber list by clicking Subscribers in the left menu again. Now you'll see checkboxes next to each subscriber's name. Click the boxes for all the people you want to organize. You can select them one by one, or use the checkbox at the top to select everyone on the current page. Once your selections are made, look for a Bulk Actions dropdown, usually located above the list. Click it and choose Add to Group. A pop-up will appear asking which group you want to add them to. Pick the appropriate group, confirm, and MailerLite will process all those subscribers at once. After you've done your bulk assignment, it's a good practice to open the group itself and confirm that everyone was added successfully. You can find your groups by going to the Subscribers section and clicking on Groups, or finding them in the left menu. Click on the group name, and you'll see a list of every subscriber who belongs to it. Scan through and make sure your intended contacts are there. If anyone is missing, you may have missed a checkbox, so just repeat the bulk action. This step also gives you a chance to see the group's size and gauge how big your segments really are. As you continue building your groups, always maintain consistency in how you name them. If you have a group called VIP members and another group called VIPs, that's going to cause confusion later. Standardize your naming conventions from day one. Use the same capitalization, the same wording, and the same structure. For example, product launch attendees and product launch buyers are clear and organized. Avoid creating duplicate groups with similar purposes, because that fragments your data and makes segmentation a nightmare. Take a few minutes every couple weeks to review your groups and clean up any that are redundant. And that's the final result. Your subscribers are now organized into meaningful groups, which means you can target them with laser precision. You can send a welcome sequence only to new leads, a discount code only to loyal customers, or a webinar replay link only to those who attended. This segmentation dramatically improves your email open rates, click-through rates, and overall engagement because you're no longer blasting the same generic message to everyone. Now that you've mastered this, consider exploring MailerLite's automation features, which let you automatically add subscribers to groups based on their behavior, like clicking a link or opening an email. That takes your organization to the next level. Thank you for sticking with me through this guide. If you found it useful, save this video or bookmark the timestamp so you can come back whenever you need to organize your list. Happy emailing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.